Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Blatant violations of regional plan by BJP-led government issues commercial sanad for eco-tourism project at Lolien. MLA Vijay Sardesai exposes government. Now travel agency scam allegation in IIFI. State Congress alleges government manipulated tender procedures to favor their favorite travel agent. Travel agent claims to be legally upright. Manohar Parrikar tenders his resignation as Panji MLA. BJP now on a mission by poll and selection of Panji candidate. Panji candidate named to be out of by this month end. National Green Tribunal bans cutting of trees across country, directs not to cut trees from forest without environmental clearance from concerned authorities. FC Goa look to cement semi-finals place with victory over Kerala Blasters. Zico's boys feel confident after convincing victory in last ISL match. Now the news in detail. Goa government has done blatant violations of RP 2021. Government had promised to the Goans that no new settlement zones will be created if they do not exist in RP 2001 and RP 2021. But here is a case where government not only issued conversion sanad in 2013 but marked it as commercial zone when the application demanded permission for eco-tourism project. Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai has exposed these double standards of the BJP-led government.
काणकोणचो इशू जमीन 2 लाख ऑलमोस्ट 80,000 स्क्वेअर मीटर 2016 आर्डंट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर म्हणून ताणी घेतली 2010 आर्डंट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरान सरकारा कडेन एप्लाय केले की आमकां कमर्शियल सनद दिवची म्हणून हे एप्लिकेशन डेप्युटी टाउन प्लॅनरान 8 फेब्रुवारी 2011 रिजेक्ट केले. This has now become an official transaction. This is the fee taken by the government to convert land illegally. Revenue acceptance policy, eco-tourism zone सरकारानच चिंतूंक ना. म्हणजे 2 कोटी 15 लाख कित्याचेर खंयच्या आधाराचेर हे पैसे घेतले. तो मागता इको टुरिजमाचेर आनी तूं दिता लागा कमर्शियल आनी हो फावर करपाक तूं ऑफिशियली 2 कोटी 15 लाख रुपया घेता. आतां अनऑफिशियली कितले घेता हो पार्टी फंडाक कितले वता दॅट इज लेफ्ट फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा टू एस्टिमेट. की सरकारान हे इमिजिएटली सनद रिवोक करची ताजेर इन्क्वायरी घालची जे ऑफिसरांनी पास केला त्या ऑफिसरांचेर कडक कारवाई जावची.
State Congress has alleged fraud in tendering the travel agency for IIFI 2014. Congress Organization Secretary Durgadas Kamath has alleged that government officials purposely manipulated the travel agency tender to favor one of their associates. Durgadas has decided to approach Vigilance Department against the travel agency and other government officials who are allegedly involved in this scam. Travel agency owner Purushottam Bhagwan has denied all allegations, stating that he got the travel agency tender as per the procedures.
Looks like IIFI and scams have become a proposition now. Congress Organization Secretary Durgadas Kamath alleged that government officers manipulated the travel agency tender to favor Mrs. Purushottam Bhagwan and associates. Durgadas alleged that tender for appointment of travel agency for IIFI 2014 has been issued 2 times to favor this particular travel agency. He said rules are manipulated in second tender. Secondly, Purushottam Bhagwan offered ESG 8.01 paise discount on basic fare while others had offered 0.10 to 0.3% discounts.
Anga 10% 0.10, 6% 0.6. Anga this should have been 0.8. And anga बरयल्ले गेला rupees 8 and 1 paise only. म्हणल्यार टिकेटीचेर 8 रुपया डिस्काउंट. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक टेंडर अवॉर्ड केला. ही इज टर्मिनेटेड बाय आयटा. म्हणून पयले टेंडरान आयटा क्लॉज आशिल्लो, दुसऱ्या टेंडरान आयटा क्लॉज गायब जालो. सेकंड, ही इज नॉट एन आयटा एजन्सी. ही इज अ डिफॉल्टर टू वन ऑफ द इंडियन एअरलाइन कॅरियर.
Prudent contacted Mrs. Purushottam Bhagwan and Associates Manager Nilesh Shah. He said, "It is true that the tender was issued twice. During first tender, he was the only eligible candidate to apply for tender, which made government to issue the tender second time by relaxing some clauses. 4 agencies, including his agency, applied for bid. Regarding discount, Nilesh Shah said, we offered 8.10 paise discount on each ₹100, while other agencies offer 0.10 paise to 30 paise discount on ₹100. He claimed that ITA certificate is not necessary now for the travel agency. Durgadas Kamath has decided to file complaints against the government officials and travel agency before the Vigilance Department.
I'm going to file a complaint tomorrow or day after within a day with the Vigilance. I'm going to write to the PMO with all the documents. I'm going to write to the Information and Broadcasting Ministry also.
Reporter Mahesh Khadi and Omkar Fadari for Prudent.
Manohar Parrikar has resigned as Panji MLA. The Goa BJP stalwart quit the position on Tuesday. Parrikar vacated the office as he is elected as Rajya Sabha MP from Lucknow and he cannot hold 2 offices of profit. He submitted his resignation letter to Speaker Rajendra Arlekar. Following this development, Panji BJP is gearing up to choose the successor of Parrikar. Highly placed sources in the BJP say the decision about the Panji BJP candidate will be made by the end of this month.
After a remarkable stint of 2 decades, former Goa CM and current Defence Minister of India, Manohar Parrikar stepped down as the MLA of Panji following his elevation to Delhi. He has forwarded his letter of resignation to the Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly, Rajendra Arlekar.
रक्षा मंत्री आमच्या देशाचे श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हांणी आपल्या आमदारकीचो राजीनामो दिल्लो आसा. तांणी म्हजे कडेन तें पत्र 21 तारखेक धाडून दिल्लें आनी 25 तारखेच्यान आपलो राजीनामो स्विकारचो अशी ताणें विनंती केल्ली. त्या प्रमाणे हांवें तांचो राजीनामो आज स्विकारलेलो आसा 25 तारखेक आनी आयच्यान ते आतां हांगासरले आमदार नात. तो फुडलो प्रोसेस म्हणून आमकां करपाक जाय ते हो राजीनामो जर स्विकारलो अशें म्हणून आमी इलेक्शन कमिशनाक कळयतले आनी इलेक्शन कमिशन ताजेर योग्य तो निर्णय घेवन केन्ना निवडणूक करपाचें ते करतले. फुडले 6 म्हयने भितर ती निवडणूक करून तो जागो भरपाक जाय असो तो प्रोसेस आसा.
On the other hand, fierce contest has begun for BJP ticket in Panji. Although names of many influential persons from Panji are doing rounds in political circles, BJP has decided to take final call on the issue by the end of this month. Sources in the BJP say, meeting with Panji Karyakartas on 28th November to know their opinion. Manohar Parrikar arriving in Goa on 29th November. Parrikar to meet some prominent persons from Panji on 29th November evening. BJP core group meeting on 30th November to take final call. Announcement about Panji candidate expected by 30th November evening. Many people have expressed their desire to contest from Panji following Parrikar's departure to Delhi. In the wake of growing number of aspirants, BJP has decided to follow the extensive consultation process to decide an all-acceptable Panji BJP candidate. Bureau Report, Prudent.
National Green Tribunal has banned cutting of trees across the country. The Green Bench issued direction to restrain any person, company, authority to carry out cutting of trees from forest without obtaining environmental clearance from MOEF and license from the competent authorities. NGT issued directions on Tuesday. The tribunal found merit in the application filed by the Indian Institute of Sustainable Development, which raised the issue of large-scale illegal cutting of trees in the forest. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.